Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I am at the dollar store and I wanted to show you some amazing fancy finds that I love here. Of course, for the holiday, they have great things at great prices. So take a look with me and see all the wonderful things that you can get to decorate your home for the holidays. Check out these cute signs, bells. These are for like your yard outside. Believe in the magic of Christmas. So they have great signs that you can put to decorate your entryway. If you're looking for wine boxes to gift some wine, these are amazing. Everything here at the Dollar Tree is $1. Tinsel galore, all shapes and colors. Gift bags. They literally have so much stuff. I love coming here. They have ornaments for your tree. Wrapping paper. Stockings, tons of stockings. Treescape covers. Christmas cards. Candy canes. Come check them out. Another amazing find. How cute are these wine glasses? Of course they say stay fancy, which I love. And they have bev naps, making spirits bright. Just something to add to your bar collection that makes Christmas more fancy. Another fabulous find at the dollar store are Christmas tins. These are great for packages, cookies, brownies, wrapping presents, anything you want, and they have a wide selection. I love them. Just a way to make your presents more fancy. They have a ton of wrapping paper as well, so that's awesome for packaging. They have gift bags, they have tins, so that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancier. Come check them out for some inexpensive ways to fancify your Christmas.